cloud. When we talk about those seeing rain versus those that aren't, look at the sunshine in Glencoe, but just off in the distance, that storm is measuring about 40,000 feet tall right now, and this thing is producing soaking rain. So if you're under this cloud right now near Rainbow City, it actually moved out of Steele. You are in for some soaking showers, and that's exactly what I want to point out about what we're going to be seeing over the next 24 hours. Here's what it looks like on radar. So this is our heavy rainfall now stretching from Union down towards Belltown. These two systems have kind of merged. The one on the southern side was one that lifted from Calhoun County. It's now impacting the one that's moving out of Etowah County that just moved through Steele and Rainbow City. And those are merging together. And you can see over the next 60 minutes, they will continue to do so as they kind of lift to the north towards Hope's Bluff and Colvin's Gap and over towards Merrillton. As I zoom out, you can see not a tremendous amount of activity, but there's definitely a connection being made between these thunderstorms. This line's developing in East Alabama through the north. Most of the activity for us is along and north of I-20, with the exception of a few areas like Wedowee and Roanoke. But this line of thunderstorms stretches back into Mississippi. You can see the frequent lightning there. This is all in alignment with this front that's moving its way south. As it inches lower and lower into Alabama or further and further south, that's when we'll see our development of these thunderstorms increase. Heavy rainfall right now from Littleville down towards Russellville. And keep in mind, this has not moved much at all. That's my biggest concern with these storms. If they don't move, they rain themselves out, and that increases our flooding potential. Over the next 60 minutes, it's expected to expand into moderate to light rainfall. Rainfall totals over the last 3 hours have measured anywhere from 1/10 of an inch in Alabaster to close to an inch in northern Tuscaloosa County, and even places in East Alabama seeing closer to 2 inches in the last 3 hours. Rain cooled air now in Talladega, 86. Same with Alabaster at 88. We're staying in the 80s through 11 o'clock tonight, mid-70s early tomorrow morning, and we'll continue to track a few isolated showers and storms overnight with that front. But then as we move into tomorrow, look at the widespread rain coverage. This is where we'll see those flooding rain potentials, and then that lifts to the north. It begins to clear out shortly after sunset. So we stay weather aware tomorrow, but I want to point out there's still more scattered showers and storms on Sunday, on and off rain through midweek, with temperatures warming back into the mid-90s by Wednesday. And that's